Hello, hope you're having a fabulous and fun day so far. Wanted to come here and just share with you how to streamline your thoughts into results. All too often, people are looking for the tools to help them get results and experience transformation, but a lot of times they get stuck. They get bogged down with life events or hiccups or trauma, drama, and stress. So here's what I want you to think about today. Where in your life are you actually planning to get the results that you desire? All too often, we don't actually have a plan or an intention. And when you're using and harnessing the power of feng shui, the intention is one of the most important things and aspects to getting a result and manifesting what you truly desire in your life. So step one is plan. Step two is communicate. All too often, we have a thought, but we don't allow it to manifest because we keep it in our head. And we're not able to communicate it with others, so all of a sudden we have accountability, or we tap into new resources or new opportunities or new possibilities. So what I want you to think about today is, where in your life are you planning, and then where in your life have you stopped communicating, and what can you do to truly take the next step and communicate your plan? Now, to complete this cycle, what we want to think about is, okay, we have the plan, we want to execute, but how do we actually turn that into results? And that's execute. You have to plan, communicate, and execute. All too often, people have these big goals or these ideas and these thoughts, but their execution stops them from achieving the results. So what I want you to do is not worry about step 800. Don't take the next several months to all of a sudden figure out the 800 steps that are going to take to get you there. Just take the next simple step. Figure out what you need to do to press record, or to take that next step, or to pick up the phone, or to send the email, or to have that conversation. So what I want you to think about is plan, communicate, and execute. All too often, it's like a river. All of a sudden, you get in the flow and things are moving and things are communicating and things are executing. But all of a sudden, something happens, and then immediately you turn off the water so that you're on dry ground, and all of a sudden you're not moving. Or all of a sudden, you will start to figure out, how can I build a dam to stop the flow? And so what I want you to do is get in the current. Understand that you're truly moving forward and you're progressing to your destination. And you have to ride the current. All too often, we will literally get out of the water, or we will dam the water, or all of a sudden we will drain the water. So any time that you can improve any one of those aspects between planning, communicating, and executing, you exponentially produce different results. So take a moment today and ask yourself, where in your process are you planning? Where are you communicating? Where are you executing? And what can you do to accelerate or improve each one of those options?